disconnect the connector, you've got a white tab, push up on that tab, and then push down on the actual end and pull. So we're going to put the socket on, 22 millimeter. I have an oxygen sensor socket. It's much easier to use. And then we're going to put the ratchet on, break it free. Before you install the new O2 sensor, remove the packaging plastic, and that never seizes on the threads for a reason. Make sure you don't get it on the sensor. You just guide it up there and thread it by hand. Put your socket on. And now we're just going to turn it till we feel that crush washer bottom out. That's good. So now we're going to connect the new O2 sensor. Make sure that little tab is lined up with the lock clip. Squeeze it till it clicks. And then put the lock tab on.